In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone sending green messages instead of blue. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So from here, if you can see that your chat box in your messages is color green and not blue, what we want to do is to reset our iMessage. So we want to go to our home page and go to our settings. From here, we want to scroll a bit down and find our messages application. And from here, we want to make sure that our iMessage is turned on. If it's already turned on, what we want to do is to turn it off and turn it on back again. So the next thing we want to do is go back and make sure that we have a stable internet connection. You want to make sure that you are connected to a connection that is stable and not slow. So if it still doesn't work for you, what we can do is go back and go to our general settings. And from here, we want to scroll to the very bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, we want to tap on reset and you want to choose reset network settings. You want to reset your network settings and connect to a Wi-Fi or internet connection once again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.